to another video. My name's NetStar910. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice cloud slime with instant snow. So what you're going to need, some baking soda, some instant snow, some contact lens solution, some water, and some white glue. I like to use apples. So first, what we're going to, and soda, and a container, and a mixing tool. So first, you want to get your glue, and how much glue you put in is how much slime you're going to get. So there we go. And then mix that. And then you're going to want to get your water. Put in a bit less of glue. And then you're going to want to mix that in. And you can, now is the time to put in some food coloring if you want, but I'm just going to keep mine white. And then you add some baking soda. And then mix that in. Nicely. Then you want to get your contact lens solution. Just put some in. And then you're going to see it's going to start forming. And if you overactivate it, that's okay because your instant snow is going to soften it up a bit. And if you still think it's not forming, you want to add more baking soda. Because baking soda is a good strong ingredient to it, so it makes it form a bit better. There we go. And for this, you're just going to try to make a normal slime. So from now on, you just want to keep on mixing and adding baking soda and contact lens solution. A little bit of both. There we go. So look at this, now it's starting to form. Oh, this is going to have a mix. And you know when it's forming and when it's coming off the bowl and it's all like coming together? That's exactly what you want. And if you still think it's a bit too sticky, just like touch it. I like to take some and then rub it against my fingers to see if it's working. Mine's getting there. I just need a bit more baking soda and contact lens solution. There we go. Comment down below what's your favorite color, because my favorite color is blue. And yours is like really sticky, then like you just want to like add a bit more baking soda to it. There we go. Gonna take out my mixing bowl. Oh yeah, look at all this. Oh, this is stretchy. I love making slime in summer because it's just so cool and it's like so nice, and it honestly feels like somebody's like taking a big piece of like melted stretchy popsicle and then like putting it on your hands. Okay. Ooh, this one's nice. Okay. Now that that's done, this is my slime. Okay. Now, so here I got some crazy snow, and all you're gonna want to do is like, ooh, I would say like maybe this much, so maybe like a tablespoon of these, put them in a container. Each here, okay, okay, and now we want the water, and just add like a little bit, and then see it's gonna start to rise. And add a little bit at a time, and then you're gonna see it's gonna start to rise. You wanna make sure all the little pieces get absorbed in the water. That was a lot. You wanna make sure all of them get absorbed in it. See, like that. Now, you're gonna wanna take, I would say like a pinch, put it in, and just keep on folding it into your slime. Like that. Perfect, see? And then your slime is gonna feel a bit weird, and it's gonna be like hard to stretch at first. You're gonna feel like you messed up. But don't worry, that's how it's supposed to happen. And then I'll let it go, and just keep on folding it into your slime. And yeah, see, like now it's gonna get to that like melting stage. Look at that cloud slime. Look at that. So cool. I made a mess of my desk. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. There's my good slime. So, hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what is your favorite slime in the whole entire world, and I'll see if I can make it. And don't forget, try to comment anything you want, and I'll try to do it. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get any of my videos in the future. Don't forget to share this to your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.